Hey, what's up, y'all? Today we're doing a demo here in another location and everything. Welcome to True Blue TV. We're gonna be removing this vanity too. We gotta get kind of shot off everything. Take the top off, and everything. Right here we removed the cabinets that were here. First we check the wire. Oh. No wire. Vanity?
Vanity, part of that too? What? Yeah, I think it all those go in.
No,
Is this strong or no?
No.
That's how we should be finishing that maybe. Is this the color your house looks like, right? This is gotta be different.
had an anchor in the back. It was one of those weird ones, so we had to pull it out a little bit because it's stripped from the front, and you weren't able to take it out, so that's why that's there. But still needs a lot of work. They're probably gonna remove all the wallpaper in here. Be setting like a nice little vanity right here. But yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, we're wrapping things up right now. I just need to broom a little bit, pick up all the little debris, but that's how I showed you guys already. We got these things removed. Vanity upstairs, downstairs, all the other little things. Extra big vanity. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment below. You guys have a good evening, guys.